Want to learn how to enable developers mode on a Discord app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorial Spawn. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to enable developers mode on Discord app, first of all, go to your Discord app and open up the app just like this. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Scroll down, tap on behavior. So here you can see an option of developers mode onto this chat behavior option, where you can see that developer mode exposes context menu items helpful for people writing bots using the Discord API. So to enable it, tap on this sliding bar on the right corner straight to developer mode. So you can see that this theme has been updated and you have successfully enabled developers mode on it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.